Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 Hzxvogen Welder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Hzxvogen Aluminum 4-in-1 Synergy Semi-automatic Welding Machine. Specifications: Brand name, Hzxvogen. Model, HBM 2280. Inverter technology, IGBT. Input voltage, AV220+. Frequency: 50/60 HE. Max OCV, 50 volts. Duty cycle, 25% 200A, 60% 150A, 100% 130A. Power factor, MIG 0.73, TIG 0.70, MMA 0.71. Post-flow time: 1.0 plus 0.5. Packing dimension: 469 by 223 by 421 mm. Wire diameter: 0.8/1.0 mm. Applicable thickness: over 0.8 mm. Wire feed speed: 3 to 18 meters per minute. The item number 4 is Hzxvogen 4-in-1 Digital Screen Welder. Specifications: Brand name, Hzxvogen. Is smart device? No. Usage: welding. Weight: 13.5 kilograms. Wire feeding speed: 0.5 to 13 meters per minute. Model number, HVM 270. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. MIG current range A, 60 to 250. Cut current range A, 15 to 40. MIG voltage range V, 17 to 26.5. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Efficiency percent, 85. Protection class, IP21S. As the item number 3 we've selected, Hzxvogen HVC 6000 Pro. Specifications: Brand name, Hzxvogen. Input voltage, AC tilde 220 volts plus 15%. Input current, 30A. Output voltage, 96 volts. No load voltage, 280 volts. Output current, 1040 A maximum. Rated input power, 6000 maximum. Output power, 3840 watts. Maximum cutting thickness, 12 millimeters. Quality cutting thickness, 5 millimeters. Load duration, 70%. Packing size, 510 by 300 by 360 mm. The item number 2 is Hzxvogen 3-in-1 MIG Semi-automatic Welding Machine. Specifications: Brand name, Hzxvogen. Plug type, EU plug. Is smart device? No. Usage: MIG ARC welding. Weight: 5.8. Dimensions: 335 mm x 220 mm x 225 mm. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, HVM 220 volts or 110 volts. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. Arc welding function, iron welding. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hzxvogen non-gas semi-automatic welding machine. Specifications: Brand name, Hzxvogen. Model number, MIG 145. Usage: MIG welding. Weight: 6.5 kilograms. Dimensions: 420 mm x 24 mm x 28 mm. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. MIG welder frequency, 50/60 HE. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.